Juror number one, are you a little closer to the people who believe that simply because a doctor is board certified, that automatically means that they can do no wrong? Would you like to learn why I asked that question during jury selection? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. I'm shooting video today at a beautiful park near my home. There are kids playing kickball, they're screaming, they're yelling, they're having a bunch of fun, and I want to share this great information with you. During the course of jury selection in a medical malpractice case, one of the things that I have to do is try and expose biases or prejudices of potential jurors who are now being selected to determine whether they are going to sit in judgment of your particular case. One of the things that we have to establish and get them to recognize is, just because a doctor is board certified does not automatically mean that they can do no wrong. There are jurors who go ahead and put doctors on pedestals simply because of the fact that they've gone through medical school, they've gone through postgraduate training, and now they've been in practice for a number of years, and they believe that because they've gone through all that additional training, that there is absolutely no way possible that that doctor could have done something wrong. Just because a doctor is board certified doesn't mean he was not careless at a specific point in time, on a particular day, in a particular case. So now we have to get the jurors to acknowledge that. If we can't get the jurors to acknowledge that, then obviously I know that I'm dealing with somebody who's clearly biased and is not receptive or open to the possibility that a doctor could have done harm to a particular patient. Not intentionally, but carelessly, negligently. So one of the questions I ask is, Mrs. Juror, are you a little closer to the people who believe that just because a doctor is board certified and has achieved a certain level of certification in his specialty, does that mean in your mind that he can do no wrong whatsoever? So now that opens up a dialogue and a discussion with all the jurors in the room. So now I can probe and find out whether they have those same ideas or whether they're open to the possibility that at a particular time, at a particular day, a doctor may have done something careless that caused you harm. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on in the jury selection process in a case involving improper medical care here in the state of New York. I realize you're watching this because you have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in the state of New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, G-E-R-R-Y, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.